I'm out early today, guys. I woke up at 6:30 a.m. No, I woke up at 5 a.m. But I was out the door by 6:30 a.m., guys. I went to Sam's Club, tried to see if I could get a Sam's Club drop. Didn't get a Sam's Club order that was worth my time. Only one order popped up, $14 for 9 miles. And I didn't even see a driver pull up and accept it. And I was in the Sam's Club parking lot. I put like 10 bucks in the gas tank. But yeah, I didn't get that good order, that good banger Sam's Club order to start my day off. And it may be because it's Saturday. I don't even know if that order goes out on the weekdays, but on the weekends. But on the weekdays, there's some nice orders you can catch early in the morning at Sam's Club. Didn't quite work out for us this time, but we still was able to manage to get something within this first hour. We pulling up to Walmart right now. And the great part about this is this order only got 6 items on it. So this is one of them Walmarts that's out in the farm area, not by like a major city. It's pretty much your one Walmart that's all the way out of the way. And a lot of drivers don't like to come out this way. So early in the morning and late at night, this location tends to have some pretty good offers. Low item count, miles can be pretty good. It's just a drive to get out here. So by me coming out here first thing in the morning, I may be setting myself up for a pretty decent day. If I'm out 5 hours before that, that's enough time to make my $100 that I usually don't even make until about 3 p.m. So we here now. We are parked right between the grocery pickup side and the home pharmacy side. Looks like they got one thing from the automotive aisle and then everything else is grocery. Look how easy that is. Super easy. So since I see they got one automotive item, I'm gonna just start my shopping over here on this. Some vitamin water, splash, Reframbia, Bing, Cherry, 2 things of Red Bull, another splash refresher, and some Lucas oil, some Lucas high mileage stabilizer oil. In fact, I probably could just use this little bitty cart. That one ain't acting right. Yeah, you gotta get a cart and make sure all the wheels is moving properly. Well, that was quick. Total time 10 minutes shopping on that order. No, it was about 10 minutes. Boom, 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 boom. Look, we only got what? It's 6 miles. But I'm super lucky. It's not actually taking me into Highland. It's taking me back towards the highway, which is where I just came from. Now, I will be staying in this area, but this road right here, 50 miles an hour versus taking an order that way, which is in town technically. Speed limit over that way is 25 miles an hour. So we got to go 6 miles, but the GPS say I'm going to do it in 7 minutes. That's 60 miles an hour, basically. Let's get this first order dropped off. Now, this is great because I'm technically an hour into my shift because it took me, a little bit of time to get my gas. I sat there waiting on that Sam's Club drop. I was at least sitting at Sam's Club since 6:30. So 6:30 to 7:50, that's an hour and 20. Yeah, that's an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm an hour and 20 minutes into my day, and this order, since the item count was low, the speed limit is high, and the pay is high, I'm actually still gonna be averaging a decent hourly starting, even though I basically sat for the whole first hour. Hopefully that made sense, y'all. Look, don't mind me, I'm usually not even up this early, let alone, 30 miles away from my house. So give me a minute to wake all the way up. I got me a bottle of water right here. What we got for lunch? This Humble creamy tomato soup. I'm gonna find somebody microwave to pop that in, and that's what we're eating for lunch.
Support comes from Steve Lippman, announcing the Al Franken podcast live with Jason Kander, Diana Kander, and renowned comedian and best-selling October 10th. Ticketmaster.com.org/fellas. Stay tuned for Weekend Edition on St. Louis Public Radio.
Rather a film of expression than it's one that you overlook.
Next up, you see where I'm at. I'm parked over here on the lawn and garden side by the auto care side. When I'm at this Walmart, this is where I get the best orders. $24.95. Let's get it! This order finna put me halfway to my daily goal. We at the 2-hour mark officially because I left out at 6:30. But if we count it from the time I started getting orders, then let's just say we an hour into this shift. But I like to count all the time. So, we 2 hours in. Let's go ahead and confirm arrival. Hopefully it ain't no crazy amount of items on this order. But even if it is, don't matter. Look how early it is in the morning. I usually still be in the bed with my drawers on at this time. So to have an order is way better. Let's see. I see some bedding. Better home and garden. So that means I need to go on the home side because I know I'm getting the item from the home side, and I want to start right there, then work my way to the grocery side. I also am going to check, yep, see, I see hardware items too. It's just some light bulbs, but all of that stuff is on the opposite side of the store than the groceries. So it's always better if you go grab those few items first and then go grab all of your groceries, because you don't want to be filling up a whole full cart full of sodas and waters and heavy meats and everything in between just to have to go all the way to the other side of the store. We on the home and pharmacy side right here. And we get a parking spot that's close to the front door. What's this? Bacteria and virus fiber film. Oh snaps, this order is easy. It's only 9 items. I ain't even realize. I'm sitting here telling you guys about grocery and home and pharmacy side. This order only got 9 items on it, and it's all on this side of the store. 7 minutes of shopping. Easy money. Easy money. See, this is how I got my car set up. I got totes in the back. Keep the wagon right there in the middle. Makes delivering a lot easier. I don't know, I might have to come out here a little bit more often, because they order very reasonably out here. They tip good, and they don't order a lot, and they don't stay real far. It took a minute, but we finally got order number 3. I was getting scared too, because we at the 3-hour mark. $19, 3.4 miles. Yes, sir. I needed this one, y'all. I ain't even lying, because I'm sitting here making a YouTube short because I ain't getting no dang order. And I'm like, man, I got to do something. I got to do something to make this time productive. So I did a YouTube short, and I was just getting ready to upload it. And I was going to be leaving this Walmart after that and heading back to my area towards more profitability. Okay, so this is an alcohol order. Let me see how many items on this bad boy, because this ain't even bad right here. We on the home and pharmacy side. Let me see how many items on this bad boy. This ain't nothing. Cool. And I'm on the pharmacy side, so let's see. We gonna find this one close to the front. Nope, we did not get lucky. We did not get lucky. We gotta park in the back. We got to park in the back. Well, maybe if I try the next, let me try the next lane first before I park in the back. I'm definitely going to get these pharmacy items first. I think I seen a bath item. Ooh, is that a spot? Yes, sir. Give me that spot right up front. All right, so I'm parked right in the middle by the Walmart logo. So let's see, this order right here is what we need to put us on the map. Let's get it done. Shout out to the Walmarts out there. Another easy, good shop knocked out. This one gonna put us at like 70 bucks. That's a good way to start the day. Time right now is 10:45. I ain't getting no round robin, none at all. I ain't get a round robin for this hour at all. I'm gonna just circle through the parking lot one time and just make sure. Sometimes, you know, they miss you. But if not, I'm about to hit this highway, head back towards my little preferred working area. We made 70 bucks so far, so that's freaking good. If they would have gave me an order, I would have been in there shopping it or picking it up curbside right now. But we ain't getting nothing for this hour. Maybe it's getting not so busy. I do see the bars on the map look like they decreased a little bit. So yeah, I'm not finna waste no time. I sat up here for 10 minutes because I knew the drop time was coming. Hey, I didn't get nothing, no biggie. We finna keep it moving. But we did knock out $72 towards our goal, so that's freaking awesome. DoorDash did not turn red at all out here in Highland. Yep, that's an ASAP. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to dash once I get back over in Edwardsville. So we're gonna go ahead and bank on that. And Grubhub allowed me to sign up for a block. So I got a block coming up from 11 to 1. You know what, I might not even take a break because I'm not starving. I might just go ahead and keep it moving so I can get closer to that $100, because these first 3 orders kind of really put me on the map. I picked up the first one. I accepted the first one at 17. I made it out here like at 7:38, 7:40. Then at 8:38, I got a round robin. And then I got another one at 9:30. So now the 10:38 drop, I ain't get nothing on that one. I'm not willing to sit out here for an hour and DoorDash hasn't turned red at all. I'm not willing to sit out here. If DoorDash would have turned red out here, I could do a couple food delivery orders, you know, some breakfast orders, and then maybe get an ASAP round robin for this Walmart. But since I don't feel like I want to gamble just sitting at that Walmart parking lot hoping that I get an order when I already got passed up. So either the volume is too low, not enough orders for this particular hour, or too many drivers for this hour, because I was in the right spot where I need to be. This is how you know, learn your market and know where you need to be at and when. I woke up, went to Sam's Club because I knew I need to be there early in the morning. Didn't quite work out, but we switched gears, came out this way. Now, after doing a few orders out here, I had a game plan. Okay, let me knock out Walmart orders until I can't no more. $31.98 for 35 miles. Yeah, I can't take that. I ain't take that either. I just got a fire order. $38.42, 12 miles. And it didn't even come in as a round robin. So what happened is somebody else probably working on 2 phones over there, and they probably tried to let this order go and give it to another phone as an ASAP order, but I intercepted it. So now I got me a $40 order. This putting us on the map. We was at 72 bucks, so this gonna put us at 80. This gonna put us at 110. So this was the perfect order. I went in the crib, ate me some lunch real quick, chill for like 2 hours. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. We got that order done in exactly 1 hour. And I'm still on the street. I'm still on the customer street. $20.56 for 3 miles? Yes, sir. I'm definitely finna grab that. And it's a 2 customer shop. I don't even mind. I'm right here by the Granite City Walmart. Let's head on over. So that last one put us at 110 for the day. We hit our daily goal. We were making it happen. And now this $20 order, that's gonna put us at 130. We heading to that next $100 bill. You already know. Go ahead. So look, we should be able to get this knocked out fairly soon. It's only got 3 mile delivery distance. I haven't checked the item count on it yet, but it probably ain't gonna be too bad if it's 2 customers and only going 3 miles, 20 bucks. It probably ain't nothing but 20 items between both customers. Let's just hope it ain't no cases of water. But even if it is, that low mileage is clutch. And I got me a delivery wagon. I definitely recommend you get some totes in a wagon. It makes doing the job a whole lot easier. That's for sure. And really, while we on that subject, no matter if you're doing Spark, DoorDash, Grubhub, make sure you got the tools to get the job done. You know, food delivery bags, catering bags, totes. If you're doing Spark, maybe you need a wagon or something. I probably done spent like over 250 bucks on the different accessories that I use to facilitate these deliveries. But I tell you what, when I'm getting cases of water, when I'm gotta walk down pathways to get to the customer door, hey, I'm glad I got that wagon and spent that 50 bucks when I have to do those types of things. So it turns out the second customer ordered 2 pieces of clothing and a pair of shoes, and I knew something was up. I'm like, man, I'm not about to be in this apparel department trying to find the right size shirt and the right size shoe and all of that. Man, I canceled all 3 of the items on the second customer. And since I didn't find any items for customer number 2, it removed them from my order all the way, and my trip earnings did go down. But we ain't even losing. It only went down from $20 to $18.50. So you telling me that second customer only added $1.50 of value to that stack? Absolutely crazy. So I'm very happy that I don't have to drive to 2 customers. My mileage is now only 2 miles, and I'm only getting $18.50 instead of $20. But that's a win for me because I'm not trying to service a whole extra customer with the potential to get a 1-star rating. I just made it back. We got $19.89, 3 miles. Let me go ahead and check the item count. Oh, okay. Only 10 items on this one. Oh yeah, that's definitely a go. Let's get up in here. Ooh, an $8 tip on this one. Nice. Next up, we got $26.34 for 6 miles. 1 customer. $8 tip on this. This is perfect because I literally just pulled back up to Walmart. I was about to start playing on my phone, and then boom, they sent me this offer. And it's crazy because when I looked up, the timer only had like 10 seconds left on it. And I was talking about this yesterday. With this new updated offer screen, they haven't fixed all the bugs in it yet. They haven't worked them all out. And sometimes when I receive an offer, it be only a couple seconds left and the timer already be about to run out. So be careful, keep your app open if you got the new updated screen. You don't want to miss out on any orders, guys. So this one right here is gonna put me at 176 on the day. Let's go. I would like to get one more Spark offer and make it an even 200 on just Spark, and that'd be nice. But we'll see what happens. Wherever the money is, that's where I'm going. I only need 25 more bucks to hit 200, and they sent me this. $7 short, but look at that mileage, only 0.6, 14 items. Yeah, I gotta go ahead and take that. I got to. I can't leave an order like that sitting on the table. But I tell you what though, man, I really do wanna do some DoorDash this evening. The time right now is 6 o'clock. I want to do some DoorDash this evening, but it's getting later and later, and my shift is about to end on DoorDash. I logged in and I got it paused, but I'm so focused on making this 200 on just Spark, Cause I know on Saturday, that's the day to be out here. So I'm gonna knock this one out. And this may be my last Spark order. Unless, as soon as I drop it off, they send me something else, I'll be right back up here. The whole phone just fell. No, but I was saying, since the drop off for this Spark order is so close to the Walmart, if they send me another one right away, I'm gonna shoot right back up here. And then maybe I'll be able to hop out on DoorDash at about 7 o'clock. When I say in and out in 10 minutes, I mean 10 minutes. We good to go. And we pulling up to the drop off right now. Now the only thing is we do have a little bit of ID verification, but the scanner has been working all day on the Walmart app, so we should be done with this right away. We got it dropped off and it was working properly. That's what I like to see. So now we are sitting at 192 on Walmart Spark only, guys. That's kind of wild. 192 Walmart Spark only. All I need is 7 more bucks. Will they send me another small distance delivery real quick? That is the question. I'm heading back now. We only a half a mile, so I mean, we basically right on top of the Walmart. It should be the same as if I'm sitting in the parking lot with the amount of distance. I can see the parking lot almost. I'll let you guys know if we get another one. Well, I'm calling it, guys. I sat there for like 5 minutes. I ain't wasting no more time. I made my 192, and I'm just gonna be cool with that. I'm just gonna have to, because it's the sun going down, it's getting dark, and this video probably long enough as it is. If you watch this video all the way to the end, drop it in the comments below. So I'm gonna have to make an acronym for that end of the video, okay? I appreciate you watching, appreciate you supporting, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.